Yeah. Let's have sex in the bank. Telling her open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what
YouTube! It's your boy SATAJ, man. Back with another video, back with another vlog, man. As y'all can see, man, we is in St. Louis. We got them things out. Got an Infinity to the left of me, an SS Camaro to the back of me. And I got two scats in front of me, man. Trying to cut up in traffic right now. So I'm gonna pick y'all back up in a minute so I can get out of this. YouTube, as y'all can see, man. Got my boy D-Will right here, man. Got my boy Timmy right here. And you got the old RT right here, 392 with the 5 spokes. Might be an SRT. Got the Mango right here. Got an SRT right here, man. Got the Genesis, slow Genesis. You know what I'm saying? Got my boy Kid right here. You got Mopar Brody right there, if y'all know who that is. We got some underground tuning. Y'all go tune in with underground, man. Got a GTR right here with the carbon fiber hood. Little slow Mustang. Probably a lead me though. You know what I'm saying? 5-0 motherfucker. We got the owner of this whole event right here, car. Got a bunch of daily traffic out here as well. Type shit. Got the G8, but I don't think it got no 8 in it. BMW, old little BMW. The other one. I ain't gonna lie, this sick right here. I kind of like this color right here, y'all. I fuck with this color right here. We got the slowest 5.0 owner out here. Y'all don't fuck with him, y'all. His car look too fast. We got the slowest red eye out here. What's up, y'all? We got the man of the hour right here, man. Man, I don't know, man. I'm gonna get something done. You can turn it on and off? Oh, okay then. If that's the case, then I'll do it. Got the GTR right here, man. Y'all see it. Got my boy Timmy with the drag pack on it. These are rims I'm finna get, y'all. I'm finna get these rims on my car. If I don't go Hellcat. Do a 5-0 motherfucker. With the brown, with the tan. You got Mopar Brody Hellcat right here. Y'all, this is a slim body. This is a slim body cat, and now it's a wide body, y'all. With the head, with the SRT on the side. As y'all see it say underground tuning on it. Motherfucker, it's clean. It looked like the factory though. You know what I'm saying? It looked like the factory. We got the V10 in that motherfucker, y'all. Audi R8. As y'all can see. We got the Lambo, the old Lambo. We got the SRT 392 that got everything that you could possibly do to it. Butterfly doors. Got the headlights by Underground, y'all. Tap in with Underground. Got the wheel paint, got the logos. You know what I'm saying? Got the interior. Got the stars in this motherfucker, y'all. He got everything you could possibly do to a 392. As y'all can see, man. Got the wicker build. Y'all go follow him. You know what I'm saying? Should I go ahead and go all out on my SRT and do it like this, man? Or should I just go ahead and sell it and get a cat, man? Y'all let me know. This is his steering wheel, y'all. Y'all see the steering wheel with the carbon fiber on it? I might get one like that soon, y'all. We gonna see. Old Lamborghini, though. One day, y'all, we'll get a Lamborghini. If y'all like this video, we'll get one, y'all. Mopar. I ain't gonna lie, the purple on this cat is so crazy, y'all. Mopar Brody here, y'all. Give me a little thumbnail, y'all. Give me a little thumbnail action, y'all.
Hey, y'all, everything right here. Who made that too? Who made it?
Somebody said this car's slow. Y'all, he said this car's slow, y'all. What you drive? Tell him what you got, bro. Tell him the GTR you got. This slow motherfucker right here, y'all. Little Hemi Durango. My Jeep will lead that, no cap. But my Jeep will lead this. But my Jeep will lead that motherfucker, boy. My Jeep will lead your shit if you give me 10 cars. On a dig. God damn. Maybe one day I'll get one of those, y'all. Like the video right now. I'll go buy a GTR tomorrow. I swear to God. Just like the video. Y'all see it? Cat motherfucker. I would not be doing that to my car. I swear to God, I would not do that to my car, y'all. Hey, man, say, man. Liberty Walk kit on this motherfucker, the wide body kit. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna buy this car. I'm gonna buy that car, y'all. Y'all give me 100K likes right now. I'll go buy that car right now, y'all. I swear to God.
Hey, look out, guys.
The off-white motherfucker. The scatty patty. The scatty patty. That motherfucker hard though. Now I gotta ride my car something so crazy, y'all. I gotta ride my car something so crazy, y'all. Like, niggas is really going crazy out here with the raps, y'all. Like, what we gonna do to our cars, y'all? I heard you was getting a Prius.
No, C8.
A C8? What? Y'all, he long like a motherfucker. What you get next? I heard you got a Trackhawk and a Hellcat Swap 300.
BMX bike.
Oh, okay. You ain't gonna sell him? Y'all heard it here, y'all. Go follow him. He got a 300 Swap Hellcat and a Trackhawk. Y'all. He getting too much money, y'all. I can't. They getting too much money, y'all. Got my boy with the CTSV, motherfucker. What up with the twin? Motherfucker want it when you do that shit, boy. Yeah.
I was 19 years old with 400,000. Not in my bank, nigga, on my fucking neck. One Ferrari, got into a wreck and got a faster one. Had a bitch who sucked a sucking dick and got a nasty one. If you don't like the way the truth sounded, don't ask me not. Kick it with. Look, I kick it with a thought. If she really in the class to win. Spent $2 million on my mom alone, oh she glad I'm son. Still pulling out these burnt holes with a magnum on. It's free BG into that nigga.